Hi everyone. So today I just wanted to go over a new purchase that we made. We bought an induction stove, and I just wanted to go over some of the reasons why we made this particular purchase and some of the things that you might want to think about when you are purchasing an induction stove. So the first thing is that it's safe, or at least safer for our kids. So we've got a almost 3-year-old and a 1-year-old, and we were quite concerned with our other unit that they could end up placing their hands and getting burnt, and that problem is largely resolved with the purchase of this stove. So for example, if I were to turn this on, the very moment that I lift the pot off the stove, it turns off, and this is cool enough to touch. And you'll notice that as soon as the stove doesn't sense a pot on it, it just takes a matter of seconds before it powers down completely. And so I will give it a few seconds here, and you'll see that it will power itself down momentarily. The second reason is that it can cook considerably quicker than a conventional electric stove. So I've got a pot of cold water here, and if I turn the burner on, in a matter of seconds, maybe a minute, the water here will be boiling. So I will demonstrate that to you guys right now. And so if you notice, this wasn't even 1 minute, and the water is at a complete boil. Some of the things that you might want to think about are, firstly, if you notice, the stove does buzz a little bit. So that could be something that might bother some. It's fine for us, but it's definitely noticeable. Also, the oven is a convection oven, so it does run fans, which is a little bit different from the unit that we had before. So for some, that might also take some getting used to. And then finally, and this is something that we didn't know until this was delivered, is that this type of stoves will not work with just every pot that you might have. So so these work specifically with stoves that can attract a magnet. So if you're going in to purchase one of these, make sure that either your current set of pots do work with it, and if not, you might really be wanting to consider buying a new set. So one way to check is just to make sure that the magnet can actually stick at the bottom of the pot, or usually whatever store you go into will have people that do have some expertise on these things and will be able to guide you to the set of hardware that will work with your new unit. So yeah, that's all that I had to share, and yeah, we've been happy with ours, and hope you consider it in your next buying decision. Bye bye.